So here we are, the final lesson of Module 1, and I want to use this time to make sure you're ready to go for the first recipe in the following module. The following modules are designed to build up both your and your kids' confidence when you're in the kitchen. We'll start with some slightly simpler recipes and build up to bakes that take more skills and techniques. I'm a firm believer that if you get the basics right, then the rest will be so much easier and more enjoyable. It is cheesy, but it's best to lay the foundation so that you can build on them and be truly self-assured when baking with your children. Safety is, of course, essential when baking with kids. I don't want to teach you to suck eggs, excuse the pun, but I just wanted to point out a few things to keep an eye on. With plastic food bags, always supervise your kids when you're using them. With knives, should the recipe require a sharp knife, it is best if you do the chopping. If you're using the hob or the oven, definitely best if the grown-ups do the heating or getting things in and out of the oven. For every bake, I would suggest printing off the recipe. There are downloadable PDFs available on this page, if you can, so that you can have it in front of you, or pop it on your phone so it's at hand. I would also say that it's a good idea to spend a few minutes setting up the baking station so that you're good to go when you do the first bake. I often use the dining room table a lot to bake with Nora because it's the perfect height and she can sit down if she wants to. Give everything a quick wipe down, get all your equipment together, measure out your ingredients. The main thing is that you're comfortable, and remember, be mentally prepared for some mess.